Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this 12-pack of Shopkins from Shopkins Season 2. After opening them, we're gonna store them in the So Cool fridge and the Shopkins vending machine. So here are all of our Shopkins bags in one basket with 2 Shopkins surprises. Don't forget your Shopkins shopping checklist. Here we have 2 surprises. And look at the adorable Shopkins shopping basket. From the baby section, this is Shampoo Sue. And this is Lana Lamp. We have here 4 Shopkins bags. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's take a closer look at all these Shopkins one by one. This is Dribbles, found in the baby section. Here's Bun Bun Slipper. All foil. Wendy Washer. Coffee Drip, the coffee maker. Toffee Coffee. Silly Chili, Juicy Orange, Yummy Gum, and Cupcake Chic. Now we're gonna store this new Shopkins in the little vending machine and other Shopkins in the little So Cool refrigerator. Now we have 16 Shopkins in this little vending machine. Now let's store some other Shopkins in the So Cool fridge. This fridge already comes with 6 mini Shopkins. You can also use the ice maker. It dispenses any Shopkins just like ice. And here's more storage space. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Shopkins right here on Disney Collector.